Welcome back. Today, we begin an exciting journey into the world of biological classification. Our first stop is the famous five-kingdom classification, a system that changed how scientists understand life on Earth. We'll see how every organism, from tiny bacteria to giant blue whales, fits into one of these five kingdoms. By the end, you'll appreciate the incredible diversity of life and why this system is such an important tool for biologists. Lecture notes are available in our Linktree. Let's get started. Why do we need a five-kingdom classification? For a long time, scientists classified all living things into just two groups, plants and animals, but this left many questions unanswered. Where would we place bacteria, fungi, or single-celled organisms like amoeba? In 1969, R.H. Whittaker revolutionized biology by introducing the five-kingdom classification. This system was based on important criteria like whether the cells have a nucleus, whether the organism is made of one cell or many, how it gets its food, how it reproduces, and how it is related to other organisms. This made classification more accurate and meaningful. Whittaker's five-kingdom classification includes Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Monera are the simplest living organisms, prokaryotic and unicellular, like bacteria. Protista are mostly unicellular but eukaryotic, like amoeba and certain algae. Fungi are unique because they are eukaryotic multicellular, except for yeast, and absorb nutrients from other sources, like mushrooms. Plantae are eukaryotic multicellular and autotrophic, meaning they make their own food through photosynthesis. And finally, Animalia are eukaryotic multicellular and heterotrophic, meaning they depend on other organisms for food. Together, these five kingdoms cover every known form of life on Earth. Kingdom Monera is home to the simplest and oldest forms of life on Earth. These are prokaryotic organisms, meaning they have no true nucleus or membrane-bound organelles. They are all unicellular, but don't be fooled by their simplicity, they can perform a wide variety of functions. Monerans can be autotrophic, making their own food through photosynthesis, like Cyanobacteria, or heterotrophic, depending on other sources for nutrition. They reproduce mainly through binary fission, a quick and efficient method. Some can survive extreme heat, cold, or chemical conditions, making them true survivors of nature. Examples include common bacteria and the blue-green algae we see in ponds. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about five-kingdom classification proposed by R.H. Whittaker in 1969. The five kingdom are Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Next we learned about Kingdom Monera. These are prokaryotic, unicellular organisms without a true nucleus or membrane-bound organelles. Their nutrition can be autotrophic, like cyanobacteria that make their own food, or heterotrophic, depending on other sources. They reproduce mainly through binary fission, a fast and simple process. Examples include common bacteria and blue-green algae. Many can even survive in extreme conditions, making them some of the most resilient life forms on our planet. Today's challenge question: which of the following is not a characteristic of Kingdom Monera? Option A is it that they have a prokaryotic cell structure. Option B is that they are unicellular. Option C is that they have membrane-bound organelles, or Option D that they reproduce by binary fission? Think carefully and choose the odd one out. Comment your answer or send your answers in our WhatsApp or Telegram. Fantastic job, Bio Warriors! You've now mastered the basics of Kingdom Monera. In our next episode, we'll dive into the fascinating world of Protista and fungi, where you'll meet microscopic marvels and learn how fungi are more than just mushrooms. Keep your momentum going by checking out our daily NET Biology podcast and our NET Daily MCQs and PYQs playlist. You'll find the links in the description and in the cards above. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode.